Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, this video, as you guys saw in that title, I will be making a green mango smoothie. So the ingredients are in the description below, and also I'll put them up on the screen. As you can see, this is a way to get your greens, and it's so aesthetically pleasing and delicious. And yeah, so let's just get right into this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Okay, so first thing, I always add some type of liquid. So it's either water, almond milk, or oat milk. And I use almond milk this time. I fill up my blender halfway since it is a personal blender. And I'm going to use half a frozen banana. And this is part of my weight gain journey also. It's like, you know, it's healthy and very good in nutrients, potassium, all that good stuff. And then next I'm going to add in this blend. It was only one strawberry left, but really it had lots of mangoes. So I just put the rest of that in there. And after that, this is the green part. I'm going to be adding cut leaf spinach. Cut leaf spinach is actually really good for, well, spinach is just good in general. It's a way to put your greens in your body and stay healthy. And also, this is the only way how I figured for me that it doesn't be real gritty for the spinach and smoothies. So I love the cut leaf spinach. Honey and like stevia, or like, you know, the healthy sweeteners that you can add into your smoothies that would add extra sweetness and, you know, more flavor, because it's refreshing and very good on its own with the natural fruits and vegetables. But I like to add honey because I have a sweet tooth all the time. You know, I love sweets, so that's why I would add the honey. And then you just want to blend it after all of that. And then you'll see it turn green like so quickly after I started blending everything, even though they're all frozen. But then with the almond milk, water, oat milk, you know, any type of milk you want to add or any liquid, good. And here is a close up. And as you can see, it's like about 14 ounces into my blender, and it fills up my entire glass mug every time I make these smoothies. So I love my personal blender. Another thing, this is a eyeball recipe, so there's no measurements. Sorry. Hope you all enjoy this green mango smoothie. Please give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and also if you want to see more smoothie recipes, please comment below. And also I have a morning matcha recipe that I would love to share with you guys as well. I will do all these morning recipes as soon as possible. I have a lot, you know, I just really love to share these in the morning on my Instagram profile. So I hope you all enjoy YouTube as well. Stay tuned for more. Bye.